Hi guys, today I'm gonna open a surprise box with the scissors to cut
You're gonna open the
Jurassic World box with the scissors.
Jurassic World Dino Rivals. That's not how you hold a scissor.
How?
This finger goes here, this finger goes there. 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 Okay. Got it?
I can hold it like this only.
There you go. Do not open the package without supervision, please.
Okay.
Not you, the fans. Okay, you're good. Now you can rip it. And that is Rumple trying to be part of the video, huh, Rumple?
Oh, I found it.
That's okay. What do we got? What is it?
Parasaurolophus. Here, guys. We got a Parasaurolophus.
We got a Parasaurolophus.
Yeah.
Very cool. Let's see his face. Does he do anything? Articulate anywhere? His head articulates.
It goes left and right, and goes up and down.
Very cool. Anything else? Does he stand? Let's see how well he stands. Oh yeah, look at that. Not too well, huh?
Yeah, right.
He uses his tail. And what is that? All the different ones? Which ones you have so far?
The one that I already bought was an Ankylosaurus. Now I have a Parasaurolophus.
You got the Ankylosaurus
And then the Parasaurolophus.
and the Parasaurolophus?
Yeah.
All right, we got to keep getting them, huh?
Yeah.
We'll collect them all.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
If you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.